Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 19th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, if you've been following along, hopefully you've been getting some of these longs because for weeks now I've been saying that we should continue to look for longs. The next area of interest for me for resistance is this 90% Fibonacci retracement from the daily time frame, especially if this really is some sort of a flat. It's actually maybe even a weekly time frame, right around the 157 area. Now, just because I think this is an area of resistance doesn't mean I'm going to take it as a short. What I would really like to see here is a bounce, a decent bounce, and then a break, another push to the upside, retest this fib level, and then a break of structure to the downside. That is really what I would like to see to become a bear. Otherwise, I definitely am still looking for longs. I mean, this thing could easily bounce here, cause resistance, and then just continue the uptrend because the trend is definitely up on the weekly. It's definitely up on the daily. And as always, those higher time frame trends are definitely your friend. Just because you're at an area of resistance doesn't mean that the market needs to stop. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.